Hi guys and girls, Transplant. This here is transplanted. You can see it's a little bit darker. My temple peaks enables me to have a lower hairline for my age. Just for you guys, just in case you think I'm hiding something. For the YouTubers, I can see it. That's pretty damn good, I reckon. Anyway, right, so hair transplant. People that come in have just had a hair transplant. When I was in the USA, I worked with Levitt, Bowman and Bosley with guys that have had transplants, and I developed a design that I called Transplacements. So it helped them have hair while the transplants were growing over a period of 8-10 months. You know, I didn't work against transplants. I've had it myself. You know, as long as you're giving good advice, then, you know, why not? You know, obviously I can because of this. You know, I want this. I don't want, you know, a couple of thousand hairs. You know, in a hair system, that's a couple of thousand hairs here. You know, and then you get, I reckon, you know, what is it, 3-4 thousand hairs? Well, there's hardly any if you want some density. But, you know, I love this bit. It's able to make this area here to look quite good where it goes like this. Yeah, and over that side as well, right? So the transplants are okay. When people come and see me with transplants, if they've had it done and they're not happy, as long as the transplants aren't too low, then, you know, we can place a system just in front of it. Yeah, when it comes too low, then we've got to shave it because you can't put this hair system down here. Yeah, so a lot of people then have laser hair removal if that happens. Generally, you know, all the transplants I see now that people come in and look really good, but, you know, it just didn't give people the density that they want, so they're going to give a hair system a go. I do strongly, for people that are thinking one or the other, and again, I've probably mentioned this before, it just surely makes sense to do non-surgical first. You know, at least you can see it. You know, at least your friends can see you with hair, and then, you know, if you didn't like it, you can always go back to the way you are. And then you could even do it as a fashion thing, just to see if you're ready for hair to go into transplant. Yeah. But it's non-invasive, you know. It's, you know, all the adhesives are skin friendly. It's really made for people to do something nowadays. Yeah, when back in the day in the 90s there was plug grafting around, I saw some shocking sights in the 90s, and the hair systems were pretty big and bulky and didn't look so good. So and the adhesives were probably super glue, and the tapes were God knows what. Sellotape, yeah. So things have improved. So much is set up now to go ahead with hair systems, and it doesn't affect you at all. And transplants, to be fair, you know. So they do great jobs. So people are coming to see me with transplants. If they're really good transplants, then I'll position the system just behind it. Yeah. So I'll utilise that. As long as you get the densities between the two, from the transplants to the hair system, I mean, that's a benefit. And when that happens, then it's kind of like easy maintenance as well, because you don't have to tinker with the hairline because you've got your hair just in front of it. So on that basis, that's probably the easiest way to maintain. Let's give a description from that. So if you've got an island of hair all the way round like this, you put a hair system in the middle, then, you know, there's not going to be much maintenance, is there? So you've got hair at the front, hair at the back, and hair at the sides. So for those people that come in me, then it's a benefit with the maintenance side, less maintenance with the hair system. So there we go, guys. Here's my temple peaks. There's my temple peaks here. It's still there, and that's now 2003. My maths is poor. 15 years. 15? Yeah, 15 years of hair transplants and 25 years of a hair system. So there we go, guys. See you next week. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.